Hi, it's Terrarium and Crafts. Today's video is a 2-in-1 tutorial. You'll be making this miniature aquarium with me. Everything you need will be listed in my blog. I will link this in the description box and the comment section. Begin by gluing your figurine onto your lid. I used a hot glue gun to do this. Now spray paint your lid with any colour that you prefer. I'm using blue to match the aquarium theme. Using blue hair gel, fill your jar but leave enough space for your figurine to be pushed in. Using tweezers, take your figurine and put it in the gel, position it to where you'd like it. Now fill the rest of the jar up with some more gel. When your lid is dry, you would have completed one craft from this video tutorial. A nice decorative jar to store whatever you like. Now we'll finish our aquarium and complete the second craft from this tutorial. Screw your lid onto the jar and you're done. Now you have a gorgeous handmade miniature aquarium. What's your favourite sea creature and what figurine did you use? Let me know in the comments section below. Blue hair gel is perfect for mimicking water because of its crystal clear consistency and the bubbles. You don't have to worry about it drying out either because we have the lid on. Using hair gel is my tip and trick. It's much safer and cheaper than using resin. You can place your aquarium on your windowsill. The sun shining through it makes it look even more beautiful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please share it and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!